Welcome back. In this part we'll try to create the hand, the basic hand, and a couple of modifications in the shoulder as well as the chest. I'll display add my polygon. To create a hand, I'll create a polygon cube in top view. Come back here, move it all the way here, press F. F is frame selected. Come back here, options, width 3, depth 4, because we got 4 faces. Now select these 4 faces. We'll extrude for the fingers. So go to edit mesh, switch it off first. First turn off this key faces together. So if you turn off and try to extrude it, you can extrude all the objects individually. And press G. Go back to the object. Once this is done, switch it on back, because 99.9%, we can say 99.9% will use key pressing forward option. So once this is done, select the fingers. Okay. If you come to the front view, turn it down a bit. Select the 2 keys, switch it down. Like this. Okay. But if you check, all the 4 fingers are the same size. Come to the top view. Now select the 3 fingers here, pull it out, let it out, let it out. Now select the middle one. This will be the middle finger. This finger will if you want to adjust, you can adjust the width and all the stuff. Just select this point, move it like this. But right now I'm just leaving it. And I'm happy with it. Now go to edge mode, double click this edge, move forward so that we can pull the thumb. Okay. Now when you're creating a thumb, tumble your model so that you can see this face and this face, so that you can select both the faces. Try to test or try to check your thumb. Okay. Now extrude it. See that when you click extrude, see that it's all, or else it will be a big problem. Now move it out in Z axis. I'm using the normal move, the extrude. Okay, click on this one. We got this one. Now select this edge. Move it down a little bit of Z axis. The same way you can select this one, move it inside, and down below. Select this two, lift it down, let's transfer, pick curve one. Now select these 2 faces, extrude, push it out, it's going all the way, so scale it, G, push it out, click on R is for scale. It looks okay, but you need to look at the 3 points. If you check this one, can you see this point? You need to just push it out so that these points perfectly blends with it. To test it, just press 3. It looks okay. Now, now we need to blend this thing. So select these faces, these faces. It should be hollow. Whenever you're combining, merging the vertices, see that it's hollow. Okay. Now select this edge, scale a little bit down here, vertex, little bit out. So we are just faking it a bit around. Now select these two objects, mesh, combine. But if we let's check it out, we need to delete the history in this one. But let's save it, always save. Now here I'll tumble my view, but go to face, little bit select the faces so that this can merge this vertices, vertex, this one and this one. Can you see the middle one? Merge to center. Now select this point, this one, G, G, G. Here, before merging, I'll just tumble the view. I merged top 5 points. Okay, check here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tumble the view. Here, say tumbling so that I can select this point and this middle point, etc. Because there is, you can see there's difference in some points. So merge to center. This one, G. But here we got 1 point and 1 point here. We can merge this thing, but we may get a try. Okay, we'll try to make it a quad. There's a bit of logic we can say. So what I'll use merge vertex tool, merge it. Same thing I'll do here. I'm merging here. Can you see here? This is a try. So you must be saying, Ram, you always say that we should not go for tries, always go for quads. Guys, you can go for tries, but better avoid it now. But still, I told you that we will be making this as a quad. It's simple. Just go to edit mesh, insert edge loop tool, add a loop here. Okay, if you add a loop here, what it does is the edge loop works on quads. So this is quad, we'll get a loop here, loop here, loop here. Suddenly it breaks here because this is a try. Check it out. Okay, now this try with this point has become a quad. Now what I will just select this points, edges, I'm just tweaking this point so that that's it. First way. Select this point, select this. Okay, now delete the history. Hope you got it. If you don't got it, just go back, rewind it and check it out. Now we have to create a chest and a little bit of shoulder. If you check here, we don't have any shoulder caps or something else. So what I do, I'll cut it here all the way around, split it, then I'll use that as my reference and start working on it. So go to edit mesh. We got interactive split tool. This is one of the other features which generally I don't like it. If you start using Maya since the early stages, there was one of the wonderful called just normal split polygon tool. But interactive split, it snaps. But still, we can use the tool. How to use it? How to get the tool? Erase tool. If you hold shift and right click on the surface, can you see your split? Go to split, then it gives the interactive split, the normal tool right now we have, or the old split polygon tool. So I'll go for old split polygon tool, then split it from here. Turn here, so it goes all the way around. Okay, now you must be saying, oh, dry. Yes, it can be sorted out. Just what I'll do is I'll click one here, snap it. So what is this now? A quote. The same thing I'll do here. Select this point, a little bit down. So it's a quote. Now I'll use this point over here. I'll switch it on so that I can see the reference. Select this point, push it all the way forward. Here, this point, take it back. Now here check, select this point, very good. Back. Okay, we need one more loop, so I'll add one loop here now. Yes. Okay, it's up to us. Let's just go now. Now if you come back here, we got the chest now. Now we got some points here for the shoulder. So what I'll do, I'll just switch off this one. If you see here, once again we got a try here. If I once again I use split, hold shift, right click, split. This is now a cut. The same way, select here. Just okay, now you can select this edges, push it a little bit up. Okay, just a little bit. The same way, this is the edge, the vertex. Now previously I was saying that we have to just push this so that we can see. Now let's soften. Okay. Now delete the history and save it. We are nearly done. Control D. Okay, I want this Control D. In the last session I showed you. Mesh. Legend. Let's start working here a little bit. 2 points here. Okay, this is what we do. The next part we'll try to create the base head and we'll check out. But okay, before that, with the history, we'll see the polygon. So, what's the polygon now? 656. Okay, so work on this tutorial once again till you get it. Practice this one. This can be your base model, and then based on this thing, you can start working and start developing a different range of models. Cheers. See you in the next part where we'll work on the head. Bye.